Hello there, Dan here, 1st of July 2025, and today we're going to be picking probably a peach. These are peaches, definitely peaches, but what I mean is we might probably be picking one. So 1st of July, now they're not quite there yet, some of them, but oh, let's have one. So look at that, Dixie Red, lovely beautiful peach. Good gracious. Now that is a beautiful sweet peach. Now, very interesting because this year had a lot of sun. It's been very warm, and the polytunnel, it does keep some of the sunlight out, as you can see, because it's green here. But this year it's been strong enough to get plenty in, so thus these are quite sweet. Last year they weren't that sweet because we didn't get many last year, to be honest, but last year the peaches I did get, they really weren't that sweet at all. A lot of that would be because it didn't have as much sunlight, but this year I have plenty of sunlight. So yeah, I've got loads. Go through here. I'll just take the camera and you can see just how many there are. They're all over the show here. There's absolutely loads. And this tree rested last year. Only gave me a few, but this year it's had a massive crop, so very happy in those regards. So yeah, over here, grapes. So this is variety Muscat Blanc. Now I get loads of these off of here. You can see just how many bunches there are. Of course these are nowhere near ready yet. Just bring the camera closer. Yeah, so you can see here, look, there really is loads all down there as well. You can see just how many there are there, so that's great. But they're literally all up here, and they all go all the way down there as well. So Muscat Blanc, it's a beautiful dark grape. I'm going to stick a load of videos in the description box below, peaches and grapes, maybe a few others. You can see in more detail the sort of thing that I produce here. But in terms of exotic fruits to grow in the UK, grapes and peaches are probably two of the best, I would say, personally. Right, so here, this is peach variety Peregrine. Now, just ignore the rusticness of this polytunnel. I've got to sort the weeds out at the back. But bit of a shame, I've actually lost a branch down here. Branch has broken because you know, too much weight with the fruit on it. But that's what happens. Turn your back, and these things can happen in a garden. But these aren't ready yet. They'll be ready a little bit later. But so peach variety Peregrine. Very historical variety, and it's a beautiful white flesh variety. But once again, you know, it's a fantastic crop. But yeah, very happy with how this is progressing here this year. So yeah, really have got all sorts. Best thing to do if you're new to my channel is go through my videos. You can see just how, you know, what I get up to here and what you can get up to as well in your own garden or your allotment or whatever. But yeah, so got grapes here. This is variety Lakemont Seedless, which is a US variety, but really, really nice. Just what's going on here. So really have got a lot as we go along here. Plums, Jubilee plums, variety Jubilee, really nice. But yeah, anyway, so you can see the peaches, etc., and the grapes are fantastic this year. Haven't shown you anywhere. Well, I've got a lot more grapes than I've shown you on camera, and you can see the peaches are good as well. So thanks for your time for viewing, and I'll see you all in the next video.